Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got a 2016 Mazda 3. On this Mazda 3 we're going to go over how you would check and where you would add engine oil. So to check your engine oil, it's right here, this yellow dipstick. You're just going to go ahead and pull it out. You're going to wipe it clean, and then what you want to look for, this has just two indents here. There's no high or low, but this is just the two indents, they're little holes. They're showing up very well on the camera, but either way, there's two holes here, and you want it to be in the middle of them, or between them. So it's got to be in between those, and that's where your operating range is. You don't want it to be really too full, because if it's too full you can cause catalytic damage, but if it's too low then of course you can cause major engine damage. So you want to keep it within this range. If it's down here at the bottom, it's going to be 1 quart typically to fill it up to the top dot. So that's kind of how you can gauge how much you would need to put in. But either way, you would add oil, or after you would check it, and if you know that you need oil, you would add it over here. So we've cleaned off the dipstick, we put it back in, we pull it back out, and we see that this oil is in the perfect operating range, right below the line there, or the dot, and so that is in perfect operating range, so we don't need to add any engine oil at this time. But if you did, there's a cap right here. You just turn this counterclockwise and remove it, and this says it takes a 0W20 engine oil, and that's what you would put in here, is some 0W20. So you put that engine oil in, and then pour it in, and then you just put the cap back on, and turn it a quarter turn to the right, and that's how you add oil on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.